Hello, welcome and welcome back to a new GameMaker video. Now, I did make a mention a long time ago that we were going to branch out into different technologies, and I figured the first one on the list was GameMaker. So, we'll be making a small little skill tree today, and so hopefully you have at least some idea of what GameMaker is, what objects are, sprites, scripts, rooms, at least to get you started. So we have two objects. One is a manager that's going to control how the nodes and the buttons all connect to each other. And then we have the regular buttons. Now the regular buttons, they have a few variables here, and the variables are, your hovered, your clicked, sounds. You've got your name, the current level of the button, the max level, unlocked, prerequisites, cost, and the button's action when you click on it. Now the step event is your tick event, basically. Then you have your left pressed and your left released, and that's just going to handle all your button clicking. Now for the scripts here, the script has a few helper functions. The most notable ones here is the get all instances. So this is how we're going to get all the instances of our buttons in our manager. And this string to array, and that just chops up the string based on the delimiter here, which is a comma. So we can put in a comma separated list into our prerequisites. It'll trim them up and it'll just return that. Now for our manager, which handles all of our drawings, we do have a couple of variables here, and it is our width and our two colors. And so what we have here is we have a lines attribute, and it is just going to be a list. And we have a function here, refresh tree, and this refresh tree is going to go through our objects. It's going to grab the prerequisites, chop them up, look through those prerequisites, then look through all of our buttons, and then check to see if those buttons, the attribute name, is equal to the prerequisites. If it is, it'll set it to visible, and it'll push the line. Otherwise, it will hide it. Now that's how you get the spreading the trees out. And so we just want to call this real quick in our upper script. Then we have this draw lines, which is going to loop through our lines and then unpack them and then just draw the lines. And then we have this simple button click so we can test to see how it works. And this is your draw here. And that's actually it. Now, if you see this in action, we can see that the skill tree pops up here. We have this, which is our root node, which is already pre-unlocked. And these two are not unlocked yet, technically, because that's how this is going to work. But as soon as we click on it, it will unlock it, and it'll show us our nodes. So we can just keep going down the tree, and just like that. And I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.